Pinterest plus DeepSeek plus Amazon affiliate marketing is a powerful combination. And if you add few more tools, you can make a serious money. And best thing about this method is all of these tools are 100% free, so you don't have to invest any money. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. But keep in mind that most of the Pinterest users are actually women. So you need to find a niche that is appealing to women. Okay, that is really important. Now, second thing you need to do, you need to make your Pinterest page. After that, you need to find a product that you wish to promote. So for example, I'm here on Amazon and let's say I wish to promote something related to wedding. Okay, wedding. And here I can see Amazon is suggesting most searched terms related to wedding. Here you can see wedding dress, wedding gift, wedding guest dress, and so on and so on. So when I click here, for example, wedding dress, I can see all the wedding dresses. Here you can see there is lots of wedding dresses. So when you go here you can see some of these products. Look at this, more than 12,000 reviews. I'm guessing that this wedding dress was sold more than 20,000 times. So when you scroll here, you can find even more dresses, and there are some of these are even, look at this, more than 34,000 reviews. I'm guessing more than 50,000 sales. Okay, so this dress made more than $2 million. So this is a good dress. So when I click on it, I can actually check out this dress to see more information. Here you can see more images, and also here you can see how this package looks. Here you can see the video title, and here you can see colors and all other stuff. So now what I need to do, I actually need to make a Pinterest pin, but that pin can't be just some regular image. I cannot just go here and use this image because this image is boring. I will probably get 0 clicks. So what I need to do, I need to go on a DeepSeek and I need to ask it to give me a prompt for a good Pinterest pin. So I can say something like this, for example, give me prompt for a diagram image about beautiful happy bride trying on her wedding dress, okay? And I need to press enter, and now DeepSeek will give me a prompt for a diagram that I can use to make a good image. Here you can see DeepSeek is creating this prompt. So give it a few seconds to finish this. Okay, it finished this. Okay, so I will simply copy this, okay, Control C, and now I need to go on Ideogram. Ideogram is also free, so I need to click here and I need to paste my prompt that DeepSeek created for me. And here, this is important, aspect ratio, you need to choose 9:16 because you wish to take as much real estate as possible, so you can have more chance to get people's attention, to catch people's eye, okay? And what you need to do next, you need to click here on generate, and in a few seconds, Ideogram will create 4 variations of the image that you ask it. So just give it a few seconds. Okay, Ideogram finished my images. So here you can see 4 variations. So when I click here, I can see, okay, here you can see this actually looks really, really good. And I will check the next one, okay? And this one is also really, really good. Okay, so all of these images are really, really good. As you can see, these images will certainly catch attention. So let's say, for example, I wish to use this image here. What I need to do, I need to click here on download. And I can download this image on my desktop. So all I have to do next is just simply go here on Pinterest, click here on create, and now I can click here and I can upload that pin that Ideogram created for me. This is the pin, click here on open, and this is the image. And also this is really, really important. Guys, please optimize your Pinterest pins. Add a title, catchy title that contains your main keyword. Description, always add a description, and also add your main keyword in the description. Here where it says link, I can simply go back here on Amazon and I can click here get a link, okay, and this is my affiliate link. Copy this, go back here on Pinterest and I can paste that link here, okay. I added my Amazon affiliate link. Here I need to choose the right board, and here you need to add tags. Try to add as relevant as possible tags. So for example, I will add wedding. Pinterest is already suggesting some tags. I actually don't need it. I need wedding dress, okay? Wedding dress, mermaid wedding dress, lace wedding dress, for example, this one here. Here I will again add wedding, and I will say guest dress, and so on and so on. Add as much tags, relevant tags as you can. And also you can click here on more options and you can add alt text. If you add alt text, that will also help you rank on Pinterest search results. That is really, really important. And after that, all you have to do is just click here on create and you will upload your Pinterest pin. Now, this is important, guys. Here you can see I added direct Amazon affiliate link. Now that will probably get you lots of clicks, but ROI will be really, really low. So what you can do is you can actually write an article and publish that article on your blog, on your website, on medium.com or vocal.media. In that case, these people from Pinterest will go on that article and some of those people will click on your Amazon affiliate link. And in that case, your ROI will be much, much higher. But here is the thing, I will actually give you another tip. This is important. Images like this, they work really, really well, but Pinterest is actually competing with TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and also with Instagram Reels. And you can also upload videos on Pinterest. And because Pinterest, like I said, is competing with TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels, Pinterest is pushing videos. If you upload video like this, if you upload an image like this or a video like this, your video will get more impressions. In that case, you will get more traffic from your video than from your image. But how do you actually create a video? Okay, you can simply go here on Halo AI. Halo AI is also free. So what you need to do, you need to click here on create. And also here you can use text to video. You can give it a simple prompt and you will get a result like this. Here you can see this is good, but it's not exactly what I'm looking for. So I will go back here. You can also use subject reference, but what I like to do, I like to click here on image to video, okay? So I will click here and I need to find an image that I created in Ideogram. This is the image. And then here I need to give it a prompt. Again, I will go back here on DeepSeek and I will ask it to give me a prompt for my Halo video. And I can actually use a same prompt. I will simply copy this one here, okay? I will simply copy this, Control C, I will paste it here, and here instead of Ideogram, I will say Halo AI. And here you can see, give me a prompt for Halo AI video. I will say video about a beautiful happy bride trying on her wedding dress. And simply press enter, and now DeepSeek will give me that prompt. Just give it a few seconds. And here you can see DeepSeek created this prompt. So all I have to do now is just copy this, okay? Control C and go back here on Halo and I will simply paste that prompt here, okay? And here all I have to do now is just click here and I will exchange 30 credits to create this video. Now, depending on how big this video is, how long this video is, this may take just a few seconds, all the way up to 3 or 4 hours, okay? And in the meantime, you can use some more options. What I like to do, I like to insert camera movements because that will give me more movements and that will make my video more interesting. Okay, Halo finished my video and as you can see this video is really, really good. It is actually amazing video. This video will certainly get lots of attention, lots of likes and lots of saves. Now if you are a premium member, then you can make even longer videos than 6 seconds. And all you have to do now is just go back here on Pinterest and you need to click here again on create and you need to upload that video on Pinterest and again optimize that Pinterest pin. Add a title, add a description, add your Amazon affiliate link, choose the right board, also optimize your board and also add right tags and also add alt text. In that way, you will increase your chances of ranking high on Pinterest search results. Like I said, Pinterest is pushing videos. Your video will get much more impressions than your images. And also make a long videos. How do you make long videos on Halo? Well, simply if you upload a square image, then you will get a square video. But if you upload a long image, you will get a long video. In other words, if you upload 9:16 ratio image, you will get a 9:16 ratio video as well. That is how you make a longer videos that you can upload on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube as YouTube Shorts, and also on Pinterest, and take more real estate. And in that case, you will catch more people's attention. So this is how you make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, with DeepSeek, and also with Amazon by using few more free tools as a beginner in 2025. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.